In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the setting. Now locate and open wallpaper right here, and then pick the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. So it can be some from your wallpaper, then gallery or wallpaper services. So I will choose my wallpapers, and here you've got options. Also, if you have some downloads, you can smoothly go to download it and pick the picture that you would like to apply, and I will choose this one. Then decide if you would like cover your home screen only, your lock screen only, or both of them with this picture, and I will cover both. This is how it will look like on both home screen and lock screen, and if you truly want to set it up, just click on set on lock and home screens. And this is it. From now on you will be able to see it on both home screen and also lock screen of your device. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.